I literally have not ridden in like 3.5 weeks because the weather has been so terrible out here and I was sick. I'm so happy to be back on the R1. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here with Dennis. We got Synergist. We got my boy over there, Icy Flicks, in the convertible. And today we're just gonna get out, ride a little bit, because I have not been able to do anything bike related in the past few weeks. The weather today is absolutely perfect. We got the drone out. Just goofing off with Scott right now, trying to get this drone shot. What do you think? One more? Doing something pretty cool right now. We're gonna go pick up this guy's Superleggera V4. This bike does not make appearances very often, and the weather is just too perfect to not go get rollers. Can you tell I'm excited to be riding again? Ah, water! Oh, I love this song. Oh, was that his bike or my bike?
Minutes later.
Insert that video of the guy that can't find neutral. Oh man, the Superleggera has come out. Talk about an absolutely beautiful bike. Oh my god, it's so sick. Look at that thing, dude. I could stare at this bike all day long. Alright, it is golden hour right now. We have probably like an hour and a half max left of sunlight, so we're gonna get out. This is a Ducati Superleggera V4. This is literally the top tier, not only the most expensive, but the most high performance bike that Ducati offers besides, I don't know, maybe a MotoGP bike, and I don't think you can buy anything like that, but I could be wrong. I mean, just amazing. Best that Ducati's engineers could put together is sitting right here in front of us, and it's so sick. Carbon wheels from the factory, STM dry clutch, acro titanium exhaust system. I'm pretty sure like every bolt on this thing is titanium, the body's carbon fiber, the fairings are carbon fiber. It's just crazy, man. All right, we gotta get rolling. should also mention this is all performed on a closed course, and any cars that you see are paid actors. Well, my question is do you feel safe cracking her door open a little bit and holding it right there? Like, would that be easier for you too to stabilize? Shit. I know it looks like I might not be wearing too much gear, but I got Nick Boy Toys armored Kevlar pants on, Nick Boy Toys armored Kevlar sweater on as well. This is the most comfortable way to stay protected when riding the street, as long as you're not doing anything too crazy, which obviously we aren't. Gonna catch them so fast. This shit is fast, bro. I just got my clapped by an S1K. Dennis probably weighs identical to what I do, and his bike definitely makes more power than mine.
Yo, esta wheel pasaba con otro, se va, shit. You kept going, I was like, fuck.
That was awesome. All right, guys. Well, I don't even know if my ND filter is letting a lot of this light shine through, so we're gonna call it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, guys, peace out.